Hello friend, welcome to TechPicker channel. Today we'll know how to delete Tumblr account. If you found this video helpful for you, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So first of all, if you open your Tumblr mobile app and then click on profile icon, then click on setting option, and you see here is no option for delete Tumblr account. If you tap on account setting, and also here is no option for delete your Tumblr account. So if you want to delete your Tumblr account, you need to sign in on a mobile browser. I am opening Chrome browser. You also log in your Tumblr account on a mobile browser. Click on three icon. Then click on settings. Hey, you can delete your Tumblr account from here. Scroll down. You can see here a delete option. Click on delete account option. Zoom in. Give your email address. And give your password. And then click on delete everything. Okay, it's gone. Sign up again. Now if you open Tumblr mobile app, you see here is sign up or login option. That means our Tumblr account is deleted permanently. So hope it has helped you in delete and Tumblr account on mobile device. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you. See you again in next video.